Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about JoyJolt. This is the 24-piece glass storage containers. And let me tell you guys, this is a huge box, you guys. We're going to get it open in a second. Alright guys, it's a 24-piece pack, which means it is 12 lids and 12 containers. The first 4 are square containers. As you can see, they're all wrapped up with saran wrap protection. They come in cardboard as well to protect them. All of them are glass and they don't have one scratch, one dent, one nothing, you guys. They are perfect. So you get all of these different square ones, and you can see there's another one in here. And these are super easy to open, but once you close them, they're actually airtight and leak proof to keep that food fresh, you guys. So as you can see, you get 2 of the small ones as so, and 2 of the bigger ones like these. So there you go. You got 2 small, 1 kind of medium. As you can see, the bottom one's a little bit bigger than the top one, and those are your 4 square ones. All right, you guys, I'm gonna put them off to the side right here and bring in the 4 rectangular ones. Just like before, there's 2 of this size, 1 medium and 1 large, and the last pack is the round pack. You also get 4 of these as well. Again, 2 of the same size, 1 medium, 1 large. So you guys, I have to go clean all of these so I can start using them. But whether it's for snacks, for your lunch box on the go, these are awesome. These are great. These are microwave safe, of course, and you can just pop that into the microwave while you're at lunch and make things so much easier. These are going to be great for leftovers, for snacks, to keep fruits inside for the go and have that little snack in the midday. But trust me, you guys, these glass containers are amazing.